What is Agentic AI, and how does it differ from a large language model? Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. This is Alex. I'm a data scientist working in a tech company. Alex has the world's most powerful brain at his fingertips. A digital oracle. A large language model. But here's the catch. This oracle is trapped in a box. It waits for him to whisper every single step. Alex asks the LLM to write an email, and it generates the text. And then the real work begins. Alex becomes the bridge, clicking buttons, moving files, stitching steps together, making sure the job actually gets done. Here is why. The intelligence is there. The autonomy is not. Imagine if Alex didn't have to be the bridge anymore. He simply tells an agent the goal. The agent writes the draft, edits it, syncs with his email app, attaches the right files, and hits send. This is the shift to Agentic AI. It's no longer just a prompt in a box. It's a teammate that gets the actual work done. Alex uses Agentic AI at work to respond to emails, but Sarah is using LLM like a typewriter. Sarah treats her LLM like a manual tool. Alex treats his like an employee. She looks up and sees Alex, leaning back, completely at ease. Confused, she asks, "How are you so relaxed with this mountain of work?" Alex just smiles and says, "I'm not doing the work, Sarah. My agent is." Most of us are used to AI that simply answers questions. But we're entering a new era. We are moving from AI that talks to AI that acts. This is Agentic AI, moving from answering questions to achieving outcomes. Here are benefits of Agentic AI. 1. Acts autonomously. It doesn't just suggest, it acts. It plans, makes decisions, and executes complex tasks on behalf of humans. It doesn't wait for a prompt at every turn. It understands the goal and pursues it. 2. Delivers high-quality results. Continuous improvement through reasoning. Instead of a one-and-done response, Agentic AI uses multi-step reasoning. 3. Saves time and reduces errors. It removes the burden of manual execution. Agentic AI can switch between tools, manage software, and handle repetitive manual workflows. By automating the execution, not just the thinking, it drastically reduces human error. 4. Produces more reliable outputs. Outcomes you can actually trust. These agents are designed to detect gaps in their own logic. If a strategy isn't working, the AI adjusts its course dynamically to ensure the final output is reliable and accurate. When we look at the evolution of AI, we aren't just talking about smarter models, we're talking about a fundamental shift in how work gets done. Let's break down the difference between the LLM and Agentic AI. Think of a standard LLM as an oracle. It's a prompt in a box. It gives you answers, but it stays in the box. Agentic AI, however, is a teammate. It doesn't just give you words, it delivers outcomes. With an LLM, the autonomy is low. It's waiting for you to tell it every single step. But an agent, it has high autonomy. It creates a plan, makes decisions, and actually executes the tasks on your behalf. Standard LLMs are linear. They generate text in one pass, from the first word to the last, and they're done. Agentic AI works in an iterative loop. It reasons, it revises, and it thinks through improvements before it ever considers the job finished. With an LLM, you are the bridge. You're the one copying, pasting, and switching between apps. With Agentic AI, you are the manager. You set the goal, and the agent handles the manual labor, the tool switching, and the file moving. With a traditional LLM, the process ends at response generation. You ask a question, it writes the text, and then it stops. The model has finished its job, but your work is just beginning. Because an agent can reflect on its own work and detect gaps, the output is significantly more reliable. It moves us from simply answering questions to achieving complex goals. Standard LLMs are manual. They give you the content, but you're still stuck doing the busy work. You're the one switching tools, copying data, and repeating the same steps over and over. It's slow, and it's where human errors happen. Agentic AI is automated. It eliminates the middleman, which is you. It handles the tool switching and the repetitive clicks behind the scenes. It doesn't just save you hours, it removes the risk of manual mistakes. The LLM is your tool. The agent is your workforce. Thanks for watching.